Alright, we got the boys of law here. Yeah, I might as well get y'all a shout out right now. Say it in.
Hey, thanks for taking it.
Let them know what it is.
Turnt Up Ratchets, you know.
Turnt Up Ratchets, what it is.
Hey, shout it out.
Let it be known. Hey man, give a shout out to RIKO310. Alright man, y'all good. Ratchets, let's say it. That's what I'm talking about. It's your boy RIKO310. Y'all know what it is, man. I'm here with the Ratchets. They out here, you know what I'm saying, it's going down. So I'm giving major shouts out to them. Y'all see the loudmouth chain right here? We doing it, and y'all see what's going on right here. So we moving right along. Ratchets, get y'all shots out right now. XO. Say, give shots out to RIKO310.
Ratchet. Shout out to RIKO310. Shout out to RIKO310.
Shout out to RIKO310. To my nigga RIKO310.
Let me get it. Shout out to Llama Gang. Shout out to my nigga Mikey Lopez.
Hey.
Shout out to my nigga Gio.
Gio.
Shout out to Jojo. Yeah, shout out to Jojo. Shout out to my cousin Tony.
Shout out to Squishy.
Shout out to the big homie RIKO310.
Y'all see it right here. We out here. One's over here. They handling business.
XO man.
XO out here too. Okay. Gio out here. I just got through performing at BEX. Y'all know what it is with Flying Flashy. And I'm back to my tour bus and I'm back home. Hey man.
Are you gonna put this up?
Man, this is going up. RIKO310. YouTube. RIKO310. Check that out. RIKO310. I'm a singer, not a rapper. Hey.
I ain't a rapper, so stop rapping at me.
Been around, played the games like you were there when I need you, babe. And now that I wanna settle down, it's hard, babe, to believe me now. But I'm gonna make this promise that I'm gonna make this promise forever, you and me. I'm gonna make this promise that I'm gonna be here for you.
Give a shout out to y'all boy RIKO310. That's how it is. Hey, YouTube, RIKO310.
I'm starting to hate myself. 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 Riding 13 deep, nigga, in that coupe of that cat. Got the semi-automatic loaded up against a nigga on the street trying to get it active. What's up, nigga? Get active. Right here, nigga, up in this traffic. Catch a nigga from his blind side, homie, get out, nigga, like, oh, hell, look active. You don't want a nigga get it crackin'. I got a few niggas in the hood, motherfucker, that ain't nigga afraid to jack shit. Motherfucking hands up, afraid to pack shit. What? Afraid to lay shit. Let me let you motherfucker know, nigga, Rico ain't fucking playing down. I'm starting to hate myself, oh yeah. Man, I'm starting to hate myself, oh yeah. I'm starting to hate myself, oh yeah. I know how you feel, motherfucker, cause nigga, I'm starting to hate myself. I'm starting to hate myself.